You almost got it. You know you're cheating by putting this paw right here, right? Right here. This paw. He's cheating.
What they say about your foot?